Not going to say whether it's morning or afternoon, and that way, although we're only drinking tea, Deb can fill her gin glass up without getting any stick from anyone.
And we're still at Bourneville, outside Cadburys World, and they're still shut.
Yes, a bit of a shame. Don't know whether we would have actually done the tour, because somebody said it is quite expensive to go in there, but
For the experience, I think maybe we would have done.
Doing it, and going to the gift shop, but had a wander around, and it's a little bit eerie when it's all closed
very
up.
quiet.
And while this one's in my head, thank you very much for your patronage. Really appreciate it at this point in time.
So as you can see from the video, things are very quiet. We are now officially on lockdown. You're not only allowed to go out for a little bit of exercise and essentials. That's via the government, and the Canal River Trust have actually said only move when essential. So that's what we do, and our ways of doing, we've already explained to you the ways of doing our water. This time we're going up towards Gas Street Basin. Isn't it? It's Gas Street Basin.
It's Granville Wharf, the actual place.
Yeah, it's not actually the basin, is it?
No. So we're gonna leave here, head that way. I think it's 3 miles 7 furlongs.
Yeah.
Well, I think I've done a canal plan, so I know it's 3 miles and 7 furlongs, which
and 1 hour and 35 minutes.
Yeah, well, it did say 1 hour and 34, but I thought I'd round it off to 1 hour and 35. There, actually turn around and go back, so we won't be coming up here to the famous Gas Street Basin. Yeah, due to everything that's going on at the moment, we just want to get out of Birmingham. No disrespect to Birmingham, but if we do go into lockdown, we want to be in the country. Yeah, so hello, goodbye to Gas Street Basin. We will return if and when things calm down. Yeah, for future reference, this is March the 22nd, so we haven't gone into lockdown yet, but things are progressively getting worse. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, so what would have been heaving at one point with lunchtime trade, all the bars and clubs all closed down.
And as you could see, Granville Wharf was very, very quiet, very eerily quiet.
Yeah, strange.
Nobody about. It was very strange. All of the shops shut. Because that part of it was, I think, the restaurant quarter.
Yeah, you got Pierre Marco White's restaurant there, and
every
various other restaurants, but
and
all shut. Yeah,
there was all. It's very strange, very eerie. But we got our water.
Turned round, and all the time we're doing this, we're panicking about these moorings here, whether
fingers
somebody's going
crossed.
to take them, because somebody comes along, there's a gap, they're nice moorings, people are going to come in here, and you know, there isn't room for any more boats here, so we would then come all the way back here and then have to try and find somewhere else to moor that way, which there isn't anywhere nice. So
it's that would have been one hell of a quandary, but there you go. So on our way back, we stopped off at Selly Oak and did a Sainsbury's shop, which will be like, that's your one big shop we do sort of every fortnight, something like that. You know, we do a big massive shop, wine, gin,
tonic, beer,
brandy,
and some food bits and pieces,
and some food, Yeah, and luckily the mooring was still here when we got back, so we was chuffed.
Yeah, happy chappy.
Yes, well chuffed.
And we had a impromptu video call from somebody. Matt and Ali, our Narrowboat kids. You probably saw them feature in our trips on the River Nene. We came up the River Nene and up the Northampton flight with them. We got a video call from them, and I think what it is, Matt has a habit of rubbing people's bellies, and every time he does it, he feels the need to confess, and this was his confession.
He had a go at me this morning. I tried to stroke his belly, and I've only done it with once. He let me do it the other day, and today he was just like, "No, I'm not having it."
So, as you can see from that, it weren't a total stranger's belly he was rubbing. It was their new addition to the family, the cat.
The cat.
Yeah. But I think that will appear somewhere here, just above Deb's head. A link to their channel. That's Matt and Ali at Boating Beyond. And I'll also put a link in the description below, so you can go over there and check out their channel.
It's great.
Yeah. So while we're in this state of lockdown, we're still going to be putting out videos each week, but obviously our content that we're filming is going to be reduced, so the videos
minimal.
The videos will be shorter, but we'll still try and keep them interesting. I asked for suggestions the other week of things, and we've got a whole load, some practical, some funny, a whole load of things to cover. So we've got plenty of stuff to keep us busy filming, to keep you guys entertained.
I think that's about it
for this week's little vid.
For this week. Just a little one.
So we're going to get through this in one take. So if you like the video,
press the like button.
Debbie's looking down at what she's got to say. If you haven't already subscribed,
press the subscribe button.
If you want future notifications of any videos we upload,
press the bell icon, and then that will let you know when we get a video up.
And keep the comments coming.
Love your comments.
Real, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. It's keeping us sane at this moment in time.
It makes us smile a lot.
Yeah, so we do reply to all.
Or try and reply to every single one.
Yeah, and,
there might be a few slip through, but
some of you regulars we're having a good bit of banter with. And again, thank you so much to our new patrons. These come in at the last minute. So David Chamberlain, thank you very much for your support. Who else was it?
And Gerald Walmsley.
Anne and Gerald, again, thank you. And also Brian Cusack.
Thank you
so much. Now, Brian did insist, he supported us through PayPal, and he did insist this was for a couple of nice bottles of wine. So
thank you very much.
We will enjoy those, thank you. If any of you other guys want to see how you can support the channel, check in the links below. There's links to PayPal and Patreon, and just keep watching. So until next time, bye.